following my plan with life or death intensity. I did that today. I'm not going to win every trade. I think the trades I entered are trades that would work 6 or 7 out of 10 times, and the 3 trades I took are they all failed, and it's just unfortunate, but that's just the way it goes. I'm not. Hello, everybody. Friday, November 8th. Welcome back to the video. So here I'm going to show you the trades I took today, and I'm going to go over the price action and say all the trades that I should have taken according to my system. So these were my results on the day. 3 losing trades, all good. I'm not worried about it at all. It happens. Losing is part of the trading, and all I care about is this: following my plan with life or death intensity. I did that today. I'm not going to win every trade. I think the trades I entered are trades that would work 6 or 7 out of 10 times, and the 3 trades I took are they all failed, and it's just unfortunate, but that's just the way it goes. I'm not upset about it at all. It happens. I have a screenshot of it here, or no, right here. Um, so I missed the. This was the best trade of this screenshot, was bar 9 long. I missed it. So we pushed up. This really wasn't the right day to be going for shorts, but I did go for shorts. We were at the top of the Keltner channel, and I expected a correction, so we broke this bar low, which is part of my plan to enter with this as the risk signal bar with stop loss above this bar. So it did break, came up a little bit, so I took that chance to enter as a better opportunity. It was in the money a little bit, but I wasn't able to break past the bar 14 low and go down to my 1R target of just right here. So I lost that trade. Second trade, exact same thesis. Signal bar, bar 18. Broke that bar low, went down, was in the money for a while, but came back. And this one also missed my take profit by just a few ticks, so very close. Just part of the game. Third trade, exact same thesis. Missed my take profit by a couple ticks. So, look, it's just part of the game. It happens. I'm not upset. What I care about now is only entering with confirmation, off a signal, not guessing at all, not guessing, not over leveraging, and then just making sure that everything I do is within those 2 things. I've proven I can be consistent. I know I can be consistent. I'm very optimistic about that. I am profitable. That the only thing that had stopped me was my guessing, going off my plan, not trusting it. So now I'm going to follow that plan with a life or death intensity. Bushido, way of the warrior, discipline, honor, dedication to purpose, hold the sword with a calm heart. Just going to stay locked in. So now let's look at the chart, look at all the best entries. Let's just go bar by bar for real quick. Bar 1, wouldn't take that. It's in this range. 2, wouldn't take that. 4, starting to look bullish. Could have taken bar 3 as a long. Could have. But I don't want to do that. I don't want to say I could have taken this. I just want to say, yes, I should have taken this, or no. I want to be consistent with my plan. So, yeah, this would have been a good long off bar 3. I don't think this would have been a good long off bar 5 because we're at the prior day high, we're at resistance. I guess it does break up and go through a bit, so maybe it's good for a 1R, but this is a point where I just want to wait and see what happens and see if the market, how it reacts. So after I see that it goes up, pushes through, pulls back, I see a bar like bar 8, I'm thinking that's a great signal bar. So I get long, or I put in a limit buy order, it doesn't hit. Bar 9, an even better signal bar, I get long, target up here. So that's 4.75 points. It goes up. It goes up and hits there. Hopefully you can't hear that. Yeah, I took this signal short, right? I think it was that bar. What bars was it? 14, 19, 26. So 14 just wasn't at a good location. I probably should have passed on 14. 19, I think, was a good one. I'm happy. Totally support 19. Should have, I just missed my take profit. And then same with 26. Both of these were pretty close. So what I did actually was, although the entry is good, like, you pretty much want to take these after an exhaustive push up, or after it's made a lower high, or after there's a EMA's crossover. So although the signal was good and it was close to hitting my TP, it just wasn't. It was more like this was probably like a C trade or like a B minus. 18 was pretty solid. Like, that was just unfortunate, really close, because it is above the Keltner channel. It is at resistance 1. That's a good push. Same with, I think, 26 really too, because it kind of accepts this level, so, but you do expect like a bit of a pullback, at least down to the moving average, which is what I was going for. The 21 moving average, this darker line. But oh well. Of course, as soon as I lose my 3 trades, we get another opportunity right here, because I got stopped out on bar 30, but after bar 30 it actually did make that little 1R move down I was looking for. Ooh, do not want to restart my computer now. So yeah, that was the 1R move I was looking for. Could have got me 4 points ish, and that's pretty good. Because 22, 3.5, 4 points. Bar 36, great long bar. Target this pivot high, or this swing high. Great long bar. Great long bar. Bar 39, great long bar. It broke up and didn't go anywhere, but it eventually did. Bar 47 though and bar 48 are really, really great signal bars to get long. This is exhaustion, so bar 52, this is a good bar to get short on and target 1R. Or honestly, just target one, just go for one candle push down, because this is looking pretty bullish. It can keep going up a lot further. So if you're going to go for a counter trend, try for 1R, but if 1R doesn't hit after the next candle, just consider getting out. Or just put stop loss to break even, or stop loss just to midpoint or something. But don't allow it to come all the way back up if it pushes down. Just take what you can get, because this is still, how many points is this? 1.5 points, and that'll add up over time. I would have looked to get short. Well, no, this is a good long bar on bar 59, because it's accepting this support too. It's already really bullish, so we can target a breakout. Get 5 points out of that. Bar 63, it's way extended. This is a really great place to short. This is like a really good place to short because we've pushed up all day. We've had 2 exhaustive pushes up, and then we get this exhaustive push up, pause. Great place to go short. You could target down here where it broke, like it broke up and then came back down and went up. So you could target right like here. Like this is where I would have targeted just because it's the middle of this range. The market likes to be at equilibrium. So 30, almost 38 points down to 31. That's really good. That's really good. And you could even, if you really wanted to be aggressive, you could target like right here, which it did hit eventually because this is where it broke out of. This was the previous point it ranged. It broke out of here. So you could have targeted 26 from 38, and that would have been 12 points. It would have taken a long time to hold, but, you know, you could have, if you weren't able to hold the whole thing, you could have got out here, taken profit, and then on bar 70, say, oh, we had an EMA crossover, we made a lower low. This looks like a pretty good bar to go short off, and you could have got short here and then targeted down here. And that would have been like 5 points. So that's good. And then bar 76, great long bar. And you just target right here. But it's the end of the day, so you really just, I don't know, go for 1 or 2 bars. Just target the 9 moving average. So those are the trades for today. As you can see, every single bar I entered on was a smaller bar with low risk. The best trades today were supported by the trend, except for this right side of the V, which is an exhaustive, after the exhaustive push way outside the Keltner channel. And if you targeted just 1R, because we like to only go for 1R on these types of things, still a good trade. It did go much further, but you could get back in on bar 65. That's a good entry or a good signal bar too. Short below that bar. Stop loss here. Breaks below, pushes down. That's a very strong close, closing on its low at the end of the hour. So last hour of the day. The first candle of the next hour usually gets more momentum, so that's a good push down. If you get out, you can always get back in. That's my point. This was a real slow grind up, but I got unlucky. I took like the 3 out of 10 trades today that it wouldn't have worked for my plan, and that's just life sometimes. So nothing you can do. I'm gonna forget about it. Have a great weekend. I'm not worried about it at all. And yeah, take care. Have a good weekend, and I'll see you next time. Peace.